Today is Friday. We are going to Vegas, so I'm getting ready right now. It's a little bit late. We wanted to leave like almost 2 hours ago, but we were so tired, so we're gonna leave right now, and it's almost 10. So hopefully we can still make it at a decent hour. But yeah, I'm just gonna do my skincare and then get dressed, load the car, and go.
Many hours later.
We made it to Area 15. We're gonna go to Omega Mart. I've been wanting to go to Omega Mart for a while now, so I'm really excited to experience it. We're just paying to park right now, but yeah, there's a whole outside area too. Guys, we're in. The lights are changing. Apparently it's a real store, so you can buy stuff, and there's a hidden bar, so we're gonna try and find it. There's some really interesting things. This is like PB2, but they call it cracker spackle. I don't know if it's peanut butter actually. Oh yeah, it's peanut butter spread. Everything is so weird, but I love it. This place is such a trip, but it's really cool. We found the hidden bar. It's not really hidden, but we ordered some drinks. I got the Paloma Pop, and he got this like off the menu drink. It's really loud. But yeah, we finished pretty much the entire exhibit, so that took us about an hour. It was cool. We just walked out of the building. Now we're outside. The temperature difference is crazy. But we got some souvenirs from Omega Mart. I'll do a little haul. It's actually really cute, the stuff that they sell. We might head down to the strip. Not sure, but we'll see.
The next day.
Getting blowouts this morning. Just me. And I got some coffee. I just got a blowout, guys. I went to Dry Bar here at Uncommons, and my hair is so bouncy. I love getting blowouts. Good morning. We are, I think I've said good morning like 5 times already, but we're on our way to Ixtlat now. I got a blowout this morning, so my hair is nice and done. I did an OOTD on my TikTok, so be sure to follow me there. Always linked below. A nice day. It's already it's 86 degrees, so it's not too bad yet, but I'm sure it'll get hotter later. So I got the Fairfax with turkey sausage this time. I normally get it without, but I wanted to try it today. More protein, you know? We made it to some really cute part of the Bellagio. I've never been in the Bellagio before. I've been to Vegas many times, but I don't think I've ever been here. Maybe we can take a picture somewhere. It's so pretty. Oh no, we're in Cartier. I just tried on the love ring, which I've wanted since probably like 10 years. And I think we're gonna get it today. I'm just like waiting. I sprayed on some of their perfume. I'm so excited. This is also my very first Cartier piece, so I'm really excited.
It's in your hand. It's in your hand.
An empty bag. We're still at the Forum Shops at Caesars. I think we're done. We're gonna go back and chill by the pool. I'm just getting my bracelet cleaned right now at David Yurman since we're already here. So yeah. We are on our way to dinner now. We just got dressed. I'm trying to show you my outfit. Like this sparkly dress. Ooh. Guys, this is our first date as husband and wife. Right? Well, we went on a lunch date, but this is like our first dinner date. Going out, the whole thing, getting ready. So lunch date was like in the middle of his work day. It was very casual. This is not that casual. But yeah, we're on our way to Lavo. I don't know if I mentioned, but that's where we're going for dinner. It's like Italian. I would have loved to go to Carbone, but Carbone did not have any reservations, so Lavo it is. I heard it was good either way, so yeah, it's at the Venetian. I'm excited. I'm kind of hungry. Are you kind of hungry? Yeah. Eggslut really filled me up like all day, and then we snacked when we got back after we left the strip, so. We just checked in. We're just waiting for our table to be ready. So it's really nice in here. It's nice and air conditioned, and it was easy to find. Thank God. Good morning. It is day 3 in Vegas. I am so tired. My feet hurt. This cat wants to just, I don't know. Excuse me. Anyway, today we are going to Mon Ami Gabby for brunch. I haven't been there in so long. I'm like really excited. And then we don't really know what we're doing after that. I put the North Premium Outlets on the itinerary, but I don't know. I kind of just want to like get in the pool because my feet hurt. So we'll see what we end up doing. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. So I'm going to start getting ready. It's like 8, almost 8:30 right now. Our reservation is at 10. We just walked through the Paris hotel. This hotel is so cute. It's very nostalgic to Paris, but we're checking in right now. Hopefully it's not crazy busy. We were able to get a table outside, and there's a guy playing like violin over here or some kind of instrument. And he's playing music, and I couldn't vlog because I'll get copyrighted, but he stopped for a second. So yeah, now we are gonna enjoy our brunch. We just ordered. I ordered eggs and bacon, classic. So yeah.